Judy's grocery shopping. Judy, a college student, was always mindful of her budget. Living off her part-time job earnings and a modest allowance from her parents, she had learned the art of frugality. Today, she faced her weekly challenge: grocery shopping with only $30 in her pocket. As Judy entered the local supermarket, she mentally reviewed her shopping list: rice, beans, a loaf of bread, some fresh vegetables, eggs, and if the budget allowed, a small treat for herself. She started with the basics, picking the store-brand rice and beans. These staples were not only affordable but also versatile for various meals throughout the week. In the produce section, Judy carefully selected vegetables. She chose those in season, knowing they were cheaper. A bag of carrots, a head of lettuce, and a couple of tomatoes made it into her basket. She always checked for any discounts or deals, and today she found bell peppers on sale. As she was comparing the prices of tomatoes, she heard a familiar voice. "Judy! What a surprise!" said her friend Alice, who was also carefully inspecting the vegetables. "Hey, Alice! Just doing my weekly battle with the budget," Judy replied with a laugh. "I hear you. With inflation nowadays, I've had to become quite the bargain hunter," Alice said, picking up a cucumber. "I know, right? I've been sticking to in-season produce and store brands. They're usually cheaper," Judy shared, holding up her bag of carrots. "That's a great tip. I've also started planning my meals around what's on sale each week," Alice added, as they both moved towards the bakery section. Judy picked up a half-price loaf of bread. "Look at this deal! And it's still fresh. Nice find! Oh, and don't forget to check the back of the shelves. Sometimes they push the older stock there for quicker sales," Alice advised. They continued their conversation, exchanging tips and tricks for budget-friendly shopping. As Judy moved to the eggs, she recounted her budget, glad to have a bit of room for a small treat. "I think I've got enough left for a chocolate bar," she said, smiling at Alice. "A well-deserved treat after all this budgeting gymnastics," Alice chuckled. At the checkout, Judy's total came just under $30. She waved goodbye to Alice, feeling not just relieved at staying within her budget, but also enriched by the shared experience and tips. Walking back to her dorm, Judy felt a sense of accomplishment. She had successfully navigated the challenge of on-budget grocery shopping, a skill she knew would serve her well beyond her college years,